This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another Mountain View 2-minute drill where we cover all things real estate related for the city of Mountain View in 2 minutes or less. Before we get into the data, if you're a home buyer looking at a specific property in Mountain View or anywhere else and you want a comprehensive data set like we're sharing right here for the home that you're looking at or the area that you're looking in, go ahead and text the word data plus the property address or the zip code, and we'll go ahead and get you a unique analysis for your unique situation. And if you're a home seller, go ahead and text the word data plus your property address, and we'll get you a unique data set, much more comprehensive than what you're seeing today for your unique property. Now, let's get into the data, everyone. We're super high tech here, and we'll get started in 3, 2, 1, go. So, one of the things we pay attention to recently is sales price to list price ratio, and we'll see a decline in both sectors. We're seeing a 96% sales price to list price ratio, down 3 points from April. And when we look at the condo and townhome sector, a huge drop from 105 to 98. Now, it's important to keep in mind that these numbers in May, this is sold data. Right? So these are properties that closed in May. So if they closed in May, they went into contract in April. And if they went into contract in April, they were likely listed in March and or April, and likely after SIP. And so for the first 4 to 6 weeks of SIP, we saw a huge impact from SIP on the housing market. It brought it to a standstill. And so a lot of the data that you're seeing right now was coming from the worst month that we've seen all year, which is April. We've since seen a significant rebound in May, and so I expect these numbers to rebound. And so don't feed into the narrative that that the market is dropping, the market is declining. It's simply not. In fact, May leading into right now, which is like mid-June, we're seeing a huge resurgence in the housing market, and lots of properties going into multiple offers. And so we expect to see a rebound. But even still, we're not even close to neutral territory. You're seeing in the absorption rate here, condo and townhome sector, 63 points, which is really good, and a 43.5 absorption rate in the single family sector. So still a far cry from a neutral market or a buyer's market for that matter. But definitely things to pay attention to when we look at next month's data. I fully expect, and you should fully expect, to see those numbers rebound, both the sales price to list price ratio and absorption rate. And if they don't, then then that's a separate discussion, right? But we should expect to see those numbers. In fact, I'm 100% confident that we're going to see those numbers rebound. But anyways, folks, that's all the time that we have for today. And like I mentioned before, if you're interested in your unique situation, getting a data set for your unique situation, go ahead and text the word data to the number down below. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next 2-minute drill.